Shell Education is proud to present our Professional Development Series, yet another addition to an exceptional line of research-based products that are correlated to state standards. Shell Education, quality resources for every educator.
Hello, I'm Wendy Conklin, the author of Applying Differentiation Strategies. I will never forget my first day of teaching. I was fresh out of school, wide-eyed, and ready to take on the world. I felt that I knew the routine. I would teach my lesson, everyone would learn, and then we would move on to a new topic. It was quite a shock to find that my one-size-fits-all lessons did not work out the way I had anticipated. Some of the students struggled to keep up. Others moved ahead way too fast and needed more challenging work. All of the students had unique interests. That's when I realized I had to find better ways to reach all my students. Teachers often worry about how to manage a classroom where students are doing different things. Applying Differentiation Strategies' strong introduction shows teachers how to establish rules, keep track of differentiated activities, manage talkative classrooms, and explain differentiation to students and parents. This model is similar to Bloom's taxonomy, except that it categorizes thinking into 3 levels instead of 6. The 3 levels work together to process information much like the brain works. First, the brain gathers information, then processes it for understanding, and finally uses the information.
All right, guys, you remember yesterday when we started our experiment and we had some eggs. And who can tell me, if you remember, what did we put in this first cup right here? Claudio, what did we put in there?
Vinegar.
We put vinegar in there, exactly. And when we first had the egg, and this is right here, this is our raw one that we started with yesterday before we had the vinegar, and I will share that one just a little bit. What were some words that we used kind of to describe this egg? And that's how we're, in a little bit, when you guys get to see this egg and touch it, we're going to need to use those words to think about. Aaron, what is the word we used to talk about it?
Fragile.
Fragile, good, to describe it. David, what was another one?
It was breakable.
Breakable, good. Colby,
Careful.
we had to be careful. Elise?
Gentle.
Good. Guys, you got some good words. Kaylee, do you remember another word we used?
Delicate.
Delicate. Bryce?
Tender.
Tender, good.